Everyone says the first $100,000 is the hardest, and they're right. At the beginning, your dollars have to do the heavy lifting because compounding hasn't woken up yet. But that is also the gift. Once you learn how to create a reliable monthly surplus, protect it with systems, and let time help, the rest of the journey gets easier. In this video, I'll give you my exact formula to reach 100K, without lottery luck, without extreme deprivation, and without turning your life into a spreadsheet you hate. This is a playbook you can copy: how to build your cash engine, where to park money at each stage, how to increase your savings rate quarter after quarter, and what to do when life happens. By the end, you'll know the math, the moves, and the mindset to make your first 100K not a dream, but a timeline. The formula at a glance: GAPS+. G. Grow the gap between what you earn and what you spend, on purpose. A. Automate the flow so the right things happen before life gets noisy. P. Protect the downside: cash runway, insurance, no high-interest debt. S. Stack boring habits: buckets, audits, tiny raises to your savings rate. R. Reinvest raises and windfalls: never let lifestyle get first dibs. If you run this formula for 24 to 60 months, 100K stops being someday. It becomes math. The math that never lies: months to 100K without investment returns. This is pure arithmetic, before market growth. Returns can help, but we won't need them to plan. If your consistent monthly surplus, after bills, before fund leaks, is $500 per month, 200 months, 16.7 years. $750 per month, 133 months, 11.1 years. $1,000 per month, 100 months, 8.3 years. $1,500 per month, 67 months, 5.6 years. $2,000 per month, 50 months, 4.2 years. $2,500 per month, 40 months, 3.3 years. $3,000 per month, 33 months, 2.75 years. Two takeaways. 1. Your savings rate matters more than cleverness. 2. Every extra $250 to $500 you free up slashes years off your timeline. Market returns can trim more time, but the engine is your monthly gap. Step 1. Set the floor, kill the leaks. Weeks 1-2. 1. Name your number. Add up your essential monthly costs: housing, utilities, groceries, transport, insurance. That's your burn. 2. Build a 1 to 3 month cash runway in a high-yield savings account named Runway. Do not dip below X. Start with 1 month, grow it as you go. 3. Attack high-interest debt first. Keep all minimums current, send every spare dollar to the highest rate balance, debt avalanche. Once a balance dies, roll its old payment to the next. 4. Run the 90-day statement audit. Circle subscriptions, fees, and convenience taxes, delivery markups, rush shipping, ATM fees. Cancel, rotate, downgrade ruthlessly. Put all subs on one card with calendar reminders before renewal. Step 2. Build the payday routine. Autopilot in 10 minutes. Route your paycheck into a hub checking account and set automatic transfers for the next morning. Runway top-up until you hit target. Invest a fixed amount to a broad, low-cost index fund retirement plan. Start small if needed. The habit matters. Bills: one lump sum to a separate bills checking account that only pays fixed costs. Sinking funds: small monthly transfers to labeled sub-savings: car, medical deductible, travel, gifts, tech. Living money: what's left in the hub is your guilt-free spend until next payday. You decided once. Now the system runs even on messy months. Step 3. The enough list. Freeze lifestyle, fund assets. Write 3 lines you'll keep for the next 12 to 24 months. Housing: a clear max you won't exceed, or a plan to downside or house hack. Transport: paid off reliable car, or a plan to get there, no status payments. Phone tech: keep devices longer, buy last year's model in cash, budget carrier. Your enough list creates the margin that funds your 100K. Upgrades must argue their case. Assets get first refusal. Step 4. Widen the gap. The big 3 plus 3 calls. The fastest wins live in the big 3: housing, transport, and food. Housing: negotiate at renewal, consider a roommate, or move to a more efficient place. Even a $150 month cut slices 3 months off your 100K timeline at a $1,500 surplus. Transport, shop insurance, raise deductibles only if your runway can cover them, and consider downshifting out of an expensive car payment. Food, install a weekday rotation, 3 dinners, 2 lunches that runs on autopilot. Restaurants become planned treats, not reflexes. Then make 3 calls, internet and phone retention, insurance quotes, and any large subscription or membership. Ask, I've been a customer for X years. I'm seeing offers at Y. What can we do to lower my bill without losing features? Redirect wins to your runway or invest buckets immediately. Step 6. Add a temporary income engine, 8 to 12 weeks. You don't need a second job forever. You need a short, focused spike. Choose one lever you can stomach for a season. Overtime, weekend service, assembly, cleanouts, basic photography, tutoring, simple freelancing, resume or LinkedIn, slide cleanups, basic web, video edits, or selling dormant value, electronics, tools, furniture. Every extra $400 per month is 5 fewer months to $100K at a $2,000 baseline surplus. Action density beats cleverness. Step 7. Invest while you save. How to avoid stalling. Once you've got 1 to 3 months of runway and no high-interest debt, keep funding runway slowly, but route the bulk of your surplus to long-term investments. The goal isn't timing, it's time in the market. Automate a fixed contribution every payday into diversified, low-fee funds. Don't invest money you'll need within 5 years. Keep boring, keep going. Educational, not advice. Know your risk tolerance. Step 7. The savings rate ladder. Raise your percent quarterly. Month 1 through 3. Save or invest 10% of take-home while you stabilize. Month 4 through 6, increase to 15%. Month 7 through 9, increase to 20%. Month 10 through 12, push to 25% plus if income allows. By now you've cut leaks and maybe added a small side stream. Also install the invisible raise. When income rises or a debt disappears, redirect at least 50% of that freed cash to your investments or runway before you feel it in lifestyle. Step 8. Stage playbooks. What to do at each milestone. 0 to 10,000. Proof phase. Run the audit, set autopilot, sell clutter, and create a tiny side spike. Keep investing tiny just to preserve the habit, even $20 per paycheck. Celebrate with time or people, not purchases. 10,000 to 25,000. Stability phase. Finish 3 to 6 months of runway if your job or household is volatile. Otherwise, cap at your comfort floor. Kill any remaining medium interest debt. Raise investment auto transfers by 1 to 2% of take-home. 25,000 to 50,000. Momentum phase. Consider one barbell bet, a small certification or tool that reliably raises income. Keep fixed costs capped. Any raise is split 50-50, investing life. Start a maintenance habit for assets you own, car, home, to avoid surprise costs. 50,000 to 100,000. Compounding phase. Stay boring. You are closer than you think. Guard against lifestyle creep. Your identity is smooth systems, not new payments. Revisit tax optimization and account choice to reduce drag. The 90-day 100K sprint. Installation plan. Month 1. Foundation and wins. Rename accounts, set autopilot, run the subscription audit. 3 negotiation calls, list 5 to 10 items to sell. Track expenses for 30 days. No judgment, just clarity. Month 2. Widen the gap. Lock in a weekday meal rotation and a Sunday reset. Add a temporary income engine, one you can turn off later. Increase your invest auto transfer by the smallest amount you won't feel. Month 3. Cement and scale. Raise savings or invest rate by another 1 to 2%. Build sinking funds. Car, medical deductible, travel, gifts, tech. Do a 24-hour rule for small wants and a 30-day list for big ones. Mistakes that delay 100K and how to avoid them. Payment thinking. If I can afford the monthly payment, I can afford it. Replace with total cost and runway thinking. Hoarding cash forever. After a 1 to 3 month runway and no high interest debt, invest on a schedule. All or nothing budgeting. Use buckets and automation. Don't micromanage every coffee. Social comparison. Curate your feeds and circle. Protect attention. Celebrating with permanent upgrades. Celebrate with experiences or time off, not new fixed costs. Where to park the money, by purpose. Runway and sinking funds. High-yield savings with nicknamed sub-accounts. Long-term investing. Diversified, low-fee index funds inside retirement or tax-advantaged accounts when possible, otherwise a simple brokerage. Bills. Separate checking for auto payments only. Spend. A debit-spend account for daily life. Optional, but reduces mental math. Timeline examples. Without investment returns. Case A, $1,500 surplus per month, 67 months, 5.6 years. Case B, $2,000 surplus per month, 50 months, 4.2 years. Case C, start at $1,200 per month, add a $400 side stream in month 4, and cut $200 from bills by month 6. Average around $1,650 over the year. Target 61 months, 5.1 years. Faster if you keep the side stream. Add steady investing returns and the timeline compresses. Don't count on returns to save a weak plan. Let them turbocharge a strong one. Scripts and micro tactics you can copy. Boss, raise script. In the last 6 months, measurable results. I'm taking on responsibilities. Based on the market and impact, I'm seeking XY adjustment. What would you need to see to make this happen this quarter? Internet phone retention. I'm seeing competitor offers at X dollars. I prefer to stay. What can we do today to get closer without losing features? Self-talk at a store. If this still matters in 30 days, I'll buy it with cash from my Joy Fund.
Friend script. Saving socially. I'm on a 100K sprint. Coffee and walks at mine? Your dashboard. Keep it simple. Track monthly. Runway months, cash divided essential spent. Savings/investing rate, percent of take home. Free cash flow, take home minus fixed obligations. Net worth, optional. Direction matters more than size. If your runway and savings rate are rising for 3 consecutive months, you're on track, even if the market wiggles. What to do when life happens. Emergency. Use the runway. That's its job. Refill it automatically after. Income dip. Pause extras. Keep tiny investing going if possible to preserve habit and focus on the next lever. Raise, new roll, side stream. Market drop. Don't sell your plan. Keep buying on schedule. Let time do the heavy lifting. Big expense. Pay from the relevant sinking fund. If underfunded, slow wants, not essentials or investing. Your first $100,000 is not a miracle. It's a system. Grow the gap, automate the flow, protect the downside, stack habits, and reinvest raises. Do the math, follow the routine, and let boring consistency compound. A year from now, your accounts will look different. 3 years from now, your identity will. 5 years from now, the 100K that once felt impossible will be a screenshot, and the starting line for what comes next. Start today. Rename your accounts, set 1 automatic transfer, cancel 2 leaks, and send 1 message that increases income. That's how the first 100K begins. Not with a shout, but with a system you quietly run until the math can't help but work.